ya seti yo muri P1. Ni rya shuri twigamo n'ubundi. Ishuri ryacu nakagaruka, ishuri ryacu ntago ryirukana, ishuri ryacu ntago rikubita, ishuri ryacu buri muntu wese yakicara kiga. Twicare twigane mu ishuri ryacu, turebe akazi kontu kagiye gukorwa. Turebe uyu munyeshuri wacu wiga muri P1 ko ibintu yasubije abyumva n'abatabyumva, ubundi tugiye gute tubikosore. Umunyeshuri wacu yiga muri P1, tugiye gutangira dukosora examen ya seti. Seti ni iki? Seti ni iki munyeshuri? Bishatse kuvuga ki mu magambo arambuye? Seti science, elementary, iki technology. Noneho ikizamini cyacu cya mbere cyarabazaga ngo cycle the writing materials.
Teacher said, I think circle.
Circle? Yes. Okay, très bien. Très bien for correcting me. So, take a pen.
This is pen.
Yes, it's a pen. Now, I tell you the ntabwo biba byoroshye kwigisha. Numushinga n'akazi katoroshye. The words and then you collect. If the material, I say the words is the material, then you collect. Yes? Pen. If the word is true, you do like this. The first question is circle the writing materials. Pen, tree, notebook, flower, chalk. So this is the first question. So the second question is saying for matching. Is it match, lead, and match? Take pen and you can draw a radio. Yes, draw radio quickly. Small radio. Okay, the microphone here. The microphone. Draw the telephone. Draw telephone. The computer. Draw the computer quickly. Kameramani yacu yarwaye, mwihangane. Mutwihanganire, kamera wacu yarwaye, kameramani wacu yarwaye. Ariko ari ku miti nta kibazo, mu minsi mike araba adukorera akazi neza. Draw the headphone. The headphone. The headphone. Très bien, très bien. Zikoze kubishanya mwa. Ibintu ntabwo biba byoroshye. Noneho ubwo andika hirya amagambo hirya andika amagambo. Ugiye kwandika amagambo. Ugiye kwandika headphone. Ugiye kwandika mu nyuguti none bitari kugushushanya. Andika headphone. Headphone mu nyuguti. Headphone. Mu nyuguti nkuru cyangwa into izo ushaka. Headphone.
I write this.
So that is drawing.
I write in magambo here.
Yes, you're right. Radio. Yes. Radio. Let me help you. So, is radio, microphone, headphone, computer, and the microphone, and the telephone. So here you are going to using with matching the name and the materials. So this one is study in P1.
But I don't write this.
So you don't know where the radio. Let me writing it again. Radio. Très bien. So I think all of this is it true? Is it true? So the third question is it. Now we are going to correct the third question. The third question is saying that so cycle the following use of what is a circle is a cycle is it a circle? Okay, très bien. Circle. So if I'm saying that you made very well V, and if it's not the correct answer, you make the like this. So the following use of water is A is learning. Water is using for cooking. Water is using for mapping. Water is using for washing. Water is using for drawing. Water is using for drinking. Water is using for eating. Très bien. The number fourth question is choose the following sitting room material. Radio, bed, table, television, sofa, What is the meaning of a sofa?
Sofa is it that you sit.
Oh, a seat.
Yes. If
Okay.
you eating.
If you
In Kinyarwanda is kuruta umukeka.
okay. Okay, so we are going to continue. Match the picture and the use. Radio is using for. Yes, I'm going to say the picture and you choose the users. The radio is for drinking, for keeping, for listening, for writing, for sit. Radio is using it.
For listening.
Very good. Chair, easy, using for drawing, for movement, for waiting, for sit.
For sit.
Très bien. Cup, for using, for transport, for drinking, for watching,
For drinking.
for drinking. The cupboard. Cupboard is for using, for sitting, for keeping, for cooking, for listening.
Keeping.
Very good. Sase 100 of 100. Très bien, très bien, très bien, très bien.
100 out
100 out
of 100.
of 100. This is the end of examination of set. Ciao ciao. Niba utarakora subscribe kuri Mwamini TV. Babwire bakore. Haguruka munyeshuri. Babwire.
Kora kuri Mwamini TV. Bandike subscribe, share, comment.
Ubundi twigire mu bicu.